like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.
Man, some days, I wish I never destroyed McDonald's. I wish I behaved, but no, I didn't. Now I got grounded. I don't know how to get ungrounded. Wait, I know what to do. I will repair McDonald's by a magic wand.
Classic Caillou and Rosie, how dare you steal stuff from ShopRite? That's it. You are grounded for 9999999999999999999999999999999999999 years. Go to your room right now.
Holy crap, I didn't know it would turn that big, but anyways, I have to repair this. Otherwise, I will stay grounded. Yay. I repaired it. Yes, YESSSSSSSSSSS. Now I will make an apology video to the world. Time to record in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's me, Caillou. I am here at McDonald's. Why? To apologize for what I did. I destroyed McDonald's because I didn't want to go. I repaired it today for a reason. Hey guys, I am very sorry for what I did. I should have just behaved at McDonald's instead of destroying it. I could have waited another day for Chuck E. Cheese's and McDonald's workers. If you are seeing this, I am so sorry right now. I repaired it as to show you I am really sorry. And Mom and Dad, if you are seeing this, I am so sorry for destroying McDonald's. I am so ashamed. I hope you guys can forgive me. If you don't, I'm fine with it.
Hey boys, did you see Caillou's apology video?
Yes, I did, but should we forgive him?
I say, yeah. We should forgive him because he fixed the place up.
You know what? I agree.
Caillou, your apology is accepted, and for fixing the place and apologizing, you are ungrounded. Go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
Yay, Chuck E. Cheese's.
Please hit the subscribe button, like, and turn on post notifications. Did you like the video? Leave a comment below if you did.